How to find your OKX wallet address. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can find OKX wallet address. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the OKX application. Once you're logged in, now you have to log in, or if you don't have an account yet, you can simply create your account. But remember, this is not available in all the region or country that you live. If that's available, then only you will be able to log in or have an account on OKX Wallet. Now, if you are eligible and you want to find your OKX wallet address, here's how you can do it. Once you're logged in, you have to navigate to the wallet section, and then you have to select the receive option. Once you're done with that, you have to choose the cryptocurrency and its corresponding network you wish to use. After you're done with that, you will see your wallet address displayed. So you can either copy the address directly to share it, or you can simply use the QR code to allow others to send funds by scanning. So that's how you can find out your OKX wallet address, but you have to always double check the wallet address and network before initiating any transactions. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.